Here's the real. It's hard to stop someone who knows where they're going. Once you got that laser focus and you're crystal clear on what you're trying to do, what you're trying to accomplish, it's very hard to get thrown off your game. There's always going to be distractions. There's always going to be things that are challenging you and making you question whether you can get there. But if you really believe that this is what you're supposed to do, if you really feel in your heart that this is your journey, nothing is going to stop you. It might slow you down, it might throw you off, but you're always going to be able to get back on track. And that's what I help people with, is understanding how to stay focused, how to stay on track, even when life starts hitting you with all kinds of bullshit. When you see things falling apart in society, when you see big challenges happening and you have to get involved, you can still stay focused on your goal and still help people and still make a difference. This is what I believe. That's my model. That's how I deal with things. Stay focused, laser focused on my goals, no matter what. And I don't let anything stop me, no matter what.